Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2700 Cdti Ecoflex. Body white, panel van. Mileage 149166. Engine 1598 cc 1.690 pss SE5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: the engine is 100%, sounds perfect, just the turbo is not spinning, so the turbo needs replacing. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, cruise control. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111